There's no other reason for anybody to say that sentence.
Local fruit and nut.
Local fruit and nut. Yeah.
There's no reason for anyone else to say that sentence. You said that on purpose.
But no fruit and nut.
Why
a
you keep
peanut, a
why-
cashew nut.
stop proclaiming
Why?
that you're eating fruit and
Why?
nut?
Why?
You eat them?
No.
What
You have
them
to
blend
actually
up
hold
in a
the mic
strong
to your
back and them
face.
thing now?
Those were beans.
You have to actually hold the mic to your
Man
face
say
here.
beans lift up
Huh?
or something.
Actually, hold the mic to my face.
Yeah.
As in like this.
Yeah.
Why this sound? It coming from the TV, man.
I know. I'll have to edit it in. I can't bother get up and turn that on. That far. That mad far.
It's a remote.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bamcast. The Bamcast, as always, is the home of the anti-PC. Shout out to the intro song as always. Thank you, Boom Draw of Physics. You can follow him on SoundCloud and get his music everywhere you get music, literally. Info will be in the bio, of course. Shout out to California.com. Use the promo code.
Remember.
and use the promo code BAM35 and get 35% off anything you've ordered. Follow us at the Bamcast everywhere, on Instagram, on Twitter, everywhere. Bamcast.com coming soon. Shout out to the new videographer. Information in the bio. Like, cool stuff's coming, yo. Here with us tonight is the homie Ryan. Rydon. I don't know how you want to say it. I don't know how Bob's gonna say it.
You have to say hi to the mic, Ryan.
Hi, Mike. Since you want to start up like this.
Yeah, it's gonna be that kind of podcast tonight, guys. It's gonna be fun. I don't have to do nothing. I just have to steer this conversation. Bob and Ryan went to UTech together.
Yeah.
And both work in or have worked in the service industry.
Food service industry, yep.
So the man them have base stories and jokes and fun. I'm going to start with the food service stuff though.
We're gonna start with.
I want to know because like all the time, right? People always complain about customer service at restaurants in Jamaica. But enough times people don't make it like, yo, you kind of a shit customer to deal with. So
I mean, Jamaica
How-
don't
how-
really
how-
believe
how
in
do you do
customer
that?
service as a whole.
That's actually the truth. Jamaica customer service on a whole.
Talk to the mic, no brother.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
thank you.
Sorry, guys.
This is
My
'cause
first
you
time being
can-
on a podcast.
Just talk to the mic.
Just talk to the mic.
Thank
Just
you.
talk to the mic, bro.
Alright, sorry.
Appreciate it.
So, the real truth is that the customer service industry in Jamaica is garbage. Full on garbage.
Not. You shouldn't say the customer service industry. Customer service in almost every industry in Jamaica is
It's
garbage.
garbage. You go KFC, you can hear everybody conversation. Jamaicans know what to do, and it's gonna sound away when I say it.
What?
Jamaicans know how to, like those beaches you go to in Mobe. It's just I bring you one thing and walk off. That's it. The rest of it you have to find out on your own. You have to ask somebody. You know.
I mean, the thing is, in the tourist areas though,
Yeah.
it gets a little better because the people working for tips and foreign currency tips at that. So.
Yeah, what foreign currency tips means is an easier job because they don't have to do much work.
Yeah, but them the
We've been
tourists expect.
we've been told.
Wait, the
Service.
foreign currency tips means that they won't do as much work?
Yeah,
Why?
because it's simply, I don't have to. Most Americans are used to this class, or not even most Americans. Most people, when they go to hotels, they're used to this buffet style hotel. You get me? Like you pay one price, you just walk up and down and get it yourself.
All-inclusive vibe.
All inclusive vibe. So when you actually have to work for your tip, it's a difference. So
Man, talk about like the serving, the waiter them, the server them.
the way to them, yeah, but
That you get better customer service from them in the tourist areas than in anywhere else in Jamaica.
yeah, no, we're not disputing
Because
that.
of the foreign tips.
Because of the foreign tips, yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's the truth.
Yeah, I was wondering.
Well, I was going a different angle from what you were saying. I'm not disagreeing with you, Bob. But yeah, customer service needs to get better. Yeah. The first thing a person will do with you when you go to somewhere to do and like request something as a customer is get attitude.
Nah, dog, you know the memes you always see online about Jamaican cook shops.
Yeah, man.
When
Yeah.
you come in and say, yo, when you walk in on the store,
Yes,
in the
mama.
shop, them, why you want?
Why you want?
We not have that.
We not have that. We not have that neither.
All I wonder where you see them with the curry gravy done, but the curry gravy they ain't, but they don't give them more gravy out, isn't it?
Yeah, no, because then the meat will get dry, my guy. What are you talking about? What do you mean? And it's always...
But everybody want gravy upon them rice.
Because curry goat gravy, extra nice. I don't know what it is.
The goat.
It's the curry dog.
It's the goat. It's the goat. I agree with him. It's the goat, dog. The goat.
But you know, Bob has been in the industry longer than I have.
Don't say the industry, because that sounds like porn.
What?
Wow.
So only porn is an industry?
I don't know, but that's just what came to my mind.
You
So
are
you have a dirty mind.
Yeah.
I do.
That
gosh,
sounds
this is
like a you
awkward.
problem.
It does.
Okay.
Anyway,
Why is he doing this?
because
You
it's
asking-
fun.
What you asking me about him?
This is fun. Anyway, Bob's been in the industry longer than you have.
Yes.
But you two work different positions of like the staff.
He
Bob's
has-
in the
Yeah,
kitchen.
Brian is front of house and
Bob-
back of house.
Yep. Ryan's in the
Weekend.
fields.
I'm in the field.
Yeah,
Bob's
I'm in the house. It makes sense.
Okay. Slavery. Picking that
That
cotton.
makes sense.
I hate you guys so much.
Martin would be the one
You're
that's trying to
cotton
run
picking
away.
hard R's.
You cotton picking hard hours.
R's.
Do ask about that one day. Man. I don't know about that one day.
So yeah, it's clearly move the mic from your phone. It's clearly different between what you guys experience.
Yeah.
But how so?
Yo, alright. Let me ask you a question. I always wanted to ask somebody who work front of house this. You think they should get rid of tips and just add it to the menu prices?
No.
Why not?
Because one standardized tip is garbage compared to you getting double that because of
No.
your service.
But back of house don't get any tips. Them work just as
Back
hard.
of house have a certified job, brother. When you get paid by certification levels, funny thing has been standardized. Why are you trying to fight the front of houses?
No,
tip
I don't. I
earning.
think them should get rid of tips, man.
No, that is
Yeah.
garbage because then you're gonna be. I'm
The
gonna have
what
to
and
be
the
paid.
tutus?
The
The what
the
and the
Hutus
The
and the
Hutus.
Tutsis.
All right, here's
There
what.
you go.
Here's the thing. What most people don't realize is back of house gets paid more than front of house, no matter what.
Because
you
front
better-
of house's salary is usually
you better get paid
offset
better at
with
cooking the
tips.
food.
Exactly. So if we offset with tips, why am I going to cut out tips?
no. So yeah, so but you
No.
raise everybody's pay to the around the same level.
No, but then it becomes too standardized because
No,
then there's
you just raise the
competitiveness.
you raise the menu prices.
But then you might probably lose out.
No, but everybody know the better you pay people, the better them do them job.
But
Yes,
I
but
feel
then-
like if everybody get the same base pay and there's no
yeah,
like
there's no
tip
competition.
incentive,
There's no competition.
then
brother.
people won't like go the
It goes
extra
back down,
mile
no, dog.
for customer care.
You should do it every day. That is part of customer service. Every
But
customer
no,
should
no,
get the extra
no,
mile.
No,
People.
no.
Humans.
People always
Humans, bro.
always
Humans work for
competitive.
incentives.
Yeah, dog.
Right, and the incentive is everybody gets more base pay, no more tips.
No, but then you go
But then people can start slack off.
exactly.
No.
Yes.
Una look on it wrong.
No, you are looking at it wrong.
There are studies
Me, I work in the industry.
done
I
on
tell you
it.
that is garbage. That is garbage.
Maybe in Jamaica.
No, anywhere
Well,
you go.
that's where I live.
No, there are a lot of places where they have gotten rid of tipping and just put it and just add 20% to the
I'm
menu.
just working with where I
That's
live.
a real slave shop. That's a real slave shop. All right. No, not
They say it's not
no,
a party shop.
they-
Not a
in the
party shop.
places
It's a
where them
party
do
shop.
that, worker
Alright, I'll
happiness
tell
has increased, customer satisfaction has
Worker
increased.
happiness has increased.
Yeah.
How? Because it becomes a regular everyday thing. There's
Because them
no
getting
style
more
to it.
money,
Getting more money. How? brother?
base pay.
So if my
If
base
you don't
pay is,
make the same amount
hold
of
on.
tips every day.
Jamaicanize everything you say right now. Stop.
You don't make the same amount of tips every day.
Give me an
man.
example. Give me an
That is the example. Do you make the same amount of tips every day?
No, but it can offset by a good day.
All right, but that's the thing.
No, that's not the thing.
Money in the hand, word better than money.
I don't get tips. I have
tomorrow.
no dog in this fight.
Money today worth more than money tomorrow.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Even if money today work better than money tomorrow.
No, that's one of the rules of like finance. Money
Yeah.
today worth more than money
Alright.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Regardless, I'm not arguing with finance. I'm talking
But-
from experience.
But what man says, you might not have a good tip there,
Okay.
and then it better you just get the
and I
base
might
pay.
have the best tip pay and it still not match up to what the base pay might be. It might be above that.
No,
If you're good at your job, you can sell it.
fine, but that's the thing. Then treat you and one or two other people in the restaurant.
Ryan sound like he makes mad tips.
He does.
No.
That's why that's why I'm defend.
I'm broke.
That's why I'm defend it so
I'm
hard.
broke. No, dog.
'Cause
Brother,
him-
I'm good at my job. I'm good
Exactly,
at my
so
job.
him get
Ain't nothing
good
wrong
tips.
with that though.
But at the same time,
But you see, there you go. Him good at him job, so him get good tips.
Right.
I can't help nobody
Incentive
else.
to be good at him job.
The
Exactly.
incentive to be good at your job is the better. Like if this place cut out the tips, not everybody is cutting out tips.
I'm
It's
going to
just
lose my
this one
motivation
place.
to work. Sorry.
People going then you go work somewhere else where them take tips.
And they're going to keep on recycling amount of people that they're employing,
No,
brother.
man.
It don't look good. My place has not had a bad Wait, what's the terminology? Because I'm dumb right now.
Bad.
Turnover rate.
Yeah.
In terms of employees.
Give no dumb all the while.
Baba. We know what's smarter than you. Don't do it.
Umber.
Don't do it.
Bill no umber.
Don't do it. I'm under a lot. Right
Easy
now.
umber.
Okay.
Why for the under?
Why
a
as
lot?
on then? Why I'm under things?
Why for the under a lot?
Anyways. So yeah, no. Where's that shit? See that? Laugh too hard.
You choose the thought the real.
We were talking about the fact that your job, because of the tips, in your opinion, has not had a high turnover rate of employees.
Because if everybody knows that they can make money here just by working hard, why am I going to
But what I'm
standardize it?
saying is that you should work hard
Regardless. But nobody wants to
But
work
have
hard
you-
every day
but
without
have you met
incentive,
human
brother.
beings?
But what I'm saying is the incentive
You're
is the
working-
better base
You're
pay.
looking for a robot.
I feel like we're walking in circles with this one.
You're looking for a robot.
We just not
I
we just
feel
not
you-
gonna agree.
Yeah,
We're not
you
gonna
have to agree to disagree. Front house and back house, we have to agree to disagree with this one.
Straight.
All right?
Back
Like,
house party
clearly.
boy.
Back to the fields with your Ryan.
It's
Man,
okay.
man said back to the fields. Oh my God.
The stove at.
Alright.
So yo, what's the different pressures like that you guys experience? Because clearly,
My one is customer related.
clearly, like you gonna have to deal with like bitchy people.
I
Sorry,
have to do it on both sides of the fence.
bitchy
from the
people
back
and
of-
the bitchy and the bitchy
And the
chefs.
back of house, yeah man.
Are you guys bitchy to the servers?
All chefs are bitchy.
Every chef is bitchy.
Every
to
chef is
everybody
bitchy.
who is not
Why?
a chef. I don't want to talk
Because
about
if
bitchy to
they're-
the other chefs too.
Why?
Chefs have an ego problem.
A lot of them do, and it's a very stressful.
Do you have
Including,
one?
yes he does.
Me? No.
Yes he does.
Actually, my
Bob
ego,
runs people out of the out of his
See there?
kitchen when him cooking.
my
Okay.
ego problem with cooking is that I don't. My ego not big enough.
No, stop. You just
Man,
style
tell him.
yourself.
No,
Your
man,
ego
tell you.
problem is that your ego is not big enough.
Yeah.
But your ego is big.
Man's ego
Okay.
problem is that him not great enough.
Yeah.
So him done great.
bro.
Him just not great enough.
Yeah,
So that doesn't sound like an ego
Alright.
problem to you.
Not
Oh,
great enough,
shit.
bro. No, but
Brother, I've
that
seen you
honest-
cook a curry that don't fuck people men's all. No, brother, nice.
Yeah, but I mean, it's food.
It's food.
I believe everybody can cook in a dog. Like
No,
honestly,
still.
it's not
No,
even put fire to
still,
meat, bro.
No, still, cooking is cooking, and then you have like, what was it?
Chefing?
Gas.
Gastronomy,
Boom.
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 the culinary arts.
Boom. That's
Brother.
not that's not a regular nigga thing.
Yeah,
Right.
but I mean, it's honestly like I burn fancy food. As I said,
Fancy
before.
food is a fucked up way
I
to make
burn
money.
burn big plate,
so
small
si-
food service. dog.
Jesus, I love it though. The scheme is amazing.
Damn right, it's scheme is a fucking scheme.
Is my voice too high?
Yeah, a little bit.
And my voice is deep.
Martin need to go turn down the gain, but the thing is all the way over there, so I'm not going to do it.
And nicotine not here, so I just turned on the gain electronically right there.
Straight.
Okay.
Alright.
Here, I'll hold it from this far.
That's fine.
We
Yeah.
can hear you.
Yeah, you were talking about bunning big plate liquor food.
Big plate
Yeah,
liquor
'cause
food
you have to
means
burn
that
that.
you spend more for less.
Yeah, but
I've-
their explanation is that you get courses.
And you get quality and fine ingredients.
Yes.
I've heard you say
Goat
that.
to
I've
goat.
heard you say that before, but like I've never heard you say it in like agreeing with. Yeah, all right, cool. It offsets that. I feel like you still bun it.
Still bun it.
You have a bunny.
You
Alright,
just
you
want
want-
one big plate.
Hold
of
on,
food.
hold on. You want to go out and buy a filet mignon for like, let's do Jamaican way, 2,500 minimum. I'm just
And
giving
you
an
gotta
example.
get a get a medallion that will fit in your thing in your hand middle, smaller than your hand middle.
That's a no bueno, me amigo.
Exactly, but
Exactly, but
that
that's
is
big plate.
big plate,
small
small,
food.
fine, hot cuisine,
5-star.
5-star,
5-star.
Michelin star.
Last night I went to CDEC and it
God,
was
them can't fuck off.
no, it's like nighttime, and Heineken's back.
Oh yeah,
Heineken's back, yay!
Hodor.
Hodor's not been here for 2 weeks, guys. Anyway, I went to CDEC, and it was 5 of us, and we got the 4-pound crab, and between everybody,
A lot of shit.
yeah, between everybody,
A lot of shit.
full belly, full.
A lot of shit.
All right, cool,
Crab
whatever.
shit.
Belly still full. Crab
I
was
hate crab.
it was great. It was great. Crab the claws got all that meat out. That's fun. The little plate, small
'Cause-
food,
'cause
and bun
fuck
as
you.
well. But
I don't do bad.
you ever get a box food that you can't close?
Yeah.
I appreciate that. That's love.
That is, I'll tell you, I went to T-Sangs this week after having not been in a while.
Legendary.
I'm gonna tell you
Legendary.
something, dog. The 2 pound of rice is still shot. Unfortunately, it is now 6 bills.
Brother, the thing with
But there is not. You know what?
Man
I
say,
learned
unfortunately, still six is
It's
now
now
6
6
bills. Like it can't feed a family.
it
It
can.
can.
You
Bro,
fuck for now.
brother,
Yeah.
like,
It's
they
like
put
£2
so
a rice.
much
Let me tell you
food.
something. Me and something there, Brian.
Yeah.
You remember T-Sang Thursdays
Yes.
and Big Taste Wednesdays?
Yes.
What was that?
When we were at UTech,
Tea
every
Sam
Wednesday
Thursday.
we would have got Big
You
Taste.
text stories, yes.
Yeah, we would have got
Yes.
Big Taste down at Hagley Park, and then Thursday we would have got
And it's
T-Sang
always
from
me and Bob who
Burlington.
the runners. That's the fuck up
Yeah.
thing about it.
Me, you are me and Brian.
Yeah. It come back with bookload of food, brother.
Dog, Brian, me and him. Remember one day, me and Brian get the T-Sangs, the original, chicken steak, fried rice, curry gravy.
Curry gravy.
Right, and it's
T-Sangs
as
open
much
now?
say, yeah. You
No,
wish,
no.
you wish.
Oh, you fuck.
2 pound of rice, 1 pound of chicken, and about half cup of gravy just
That's splash
splash
out. 4
out.
people.
Right? So me and him grab that and we get one of the 1.5 liter bottle of water them. And we go up at UA and we eat the food. And until we done the food and done the water,
Man, I'm just asleep.
could we fucking move?
Man, I'm just asleep.
No, we never sleep, brother. We
Brother.
couldn't sit, we couldn't stand, we couldn't lay down, we couldn't walk,
Man, I'm
we couldn't run.
Man, I'm uncomfortable. Brother,
My youth.
You just have a Ben.
Uncomfortably.
But it's like how it's on right now. You couldn't do that because your belly, I feel uncomfortable. You got to lean back.
There's no position that was comfortable.
You have, to
None.
move, you have to move it around so some of the food can digest.
Yeah.
Isn't it first? And you can sit
No
down.
position at all.
You have
was
to stamp
comfortable.
your feet and try to shake it down to
No,
your
brother,
foot.
it now works.
Gluttony is a
Nah,
sin,
work.
my
Yes.
youth.
Yo, 2 Christmases ago, we are supposed to do a podcast. Like, yo, let's start getting the ball going. Let's do a Christmas podcast. Bob just sends a message. Yo, I ate too much. I vomited.
Yeah.
I can't reach.
First time in my life I ever eat so much of vomit.
That's not good, bro.
It's Christmas, I'm allowed.
Bob believes in gluttony.
Your sins are forgiven at Christmas, dog. I mean,
He said, if you don't sin, Jesus died for nothing.
nothing. Make it worth
The first man
it,
is
my
somebody coming
G.
from food, dog.
Vomit from eating too much.
First
That's
time in
such
my
an
life.
American thing
It
to
was
do.
horrible. I was so ashamed of myself.
You're searching to be
But the food is nice. As ashamed as I was, the food is nice.
So back to the question.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes the laughter.
It's a dark time. It's Christmas. I can do that once a fucking year. Come
Man,
on.
how much plate you have?
How much? What?
How much plate do you have?
Plate?
How much plate of food?
One.
No. Man, I talk how much plate you use.
You can actually just turn the mic like that and leave it right there.
Is it?
One. I had 1 plate of food.
You had
You had one plate of
It
food
was
and
well
ate so
stocked.
much
You didn't
that,
go for
that you
refills.
threw up.
It was well stocked.
So it was like 3 pounds of food on a
Hold
plate.
on, no.
Alright, can you describe this plate to us?
Give me a
I
section
don't remember.
out. Give me a section out. Give me a section
No,
out.
but
Yeah, man.
I got everything on the table.
Yeah, man.
Plate
Yes.
in between yes and yes or big like yes and yes.
So there was a regular disposable plate.
Mhm.
Disposable plate.
Can you describe the plate to us?
Yeah.
Man, them fuck off, no.
No, I'm curious to
I
know
don't remember.
I am
Christmas
curious
food,
to
man. I know. There.
what you
There was
Did you like
food?
layer the base with carbs and then put the meat on top and then just kill everything with gravy and
Yeah.
sauce?
No,
Or did you just like try to fit everything on the table on the plate?
I had like half a spoon of rice.
You man had beer meat. You man had beer meat.
Beer meat, brother, heavy. Like half a spoon of rice, one spoon of potato salad.
Spoon of rice.
1 spoon of potato salad and I was gooch.
You man now said not choking.
Could you shit the next day?
It was the best.
It was the best. I thought it would have come out like
It was
goat
horrible.
pebble
It was horrible. Like 5:30 in the morning and the gripe will reach
Did
me.
you have vegetable with it?
and the gripe.
And the gripe will hold me.
Yo,
Did you have vegetable
You know how bad it is. You know how bad you have for shit when you wake up for shit.
did you get them? I wake up every morning to shit.
No, I
did
think
you get
you-
did you get
you
the
are
meat
s-
sweats?
The meat sweats?
Yeah.
No.
Brother, he has not answered the question I've
What?
been asking.
What
Did
question?
you have vegetable with that?
Where's your mic?
Right here, my mic doesn't have a problem.
Oh.
You can hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay.
What is that? Was there vegetable?
Vegetable, bro.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because, dog, that seems very strenuous.
Bro, that while
That
on your system.
There would have
Why?
been more than likely there would have been baked chicken, curry goat, the ham. What
There was a
else
chicken
was
something
there?
like again. Potato salad.
There was potato salad. There was
Yeah.
rice. There was roti.
There's roti.
There was candied sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato.
Roast beef.
Roast.
Yeah.
That dry too.
Brother.
That
Yeah,
was-
dog, you did shit like
I tell
I
you
am ding dancing, but we are drop a bomb.
that. 5:30
You know that big toilet head, yeah.
5:30 in the morning, the gripe wake me up. Dog.
5:30.
The gripe.
The gripe got me. I was like, brother, you need to go.
Man said the
Now
gripe.
is the time.
I love that it's the gripe.
You're not burn up the whole elements for that though.
Huh.
You know, so it's not one time for a day go to the bathroom either.
Oh no, 'cause you can. It was a large meal.
It was a large meal.
It was a large meal.
This is hilarious. I have never heard a food coma.
Yo,
where somebody.
once I did that to my dog by accident.
How?
You overfed the dog.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like legit.
No, 'cause dogs are stupid.
Yeah.
I fill my cat's food bowl. She eat how much she want and goes away. When she hungry again, she come back. The
Dogs
dog
just-
them, if you full the food bowl, oh
It's
god, I never
done.
go eat
It's
food
done.
ever again.
I have to finish
I
the
need to
food
finish
bowl.
this.
Bro, so like it was 2 or 3 Christmases ago, mate, and there was a bag of chicken bones and like ham bone and turkey bones, all of that shit left, right? You making so much noise on the mic, moving it around on your chest, dog. Just hold it off. Just hold it like
Why
this.
don't you say so, fam?
I just did.
No.
Yeah.
After many times you switching, it annoys the fuck out of me.
That's to you. Anyway, yo, basically all that happened with the dogs, right, is they got way too many bones
Yeah.
in the food. And how did I know that they ate too much? Because they got constipated. How did I know they were constipated? I was cooking breakfast one day and I looked out the window and I just saw Clyde just like upset.
The Clyde.
Like just upset. And I looked at him and I was going, what's happening right there? And I realized, oh, he can't shit. So, you
Bung
know, bung up, plug up, dog. So, you know, men, like, get them some prunes. So, all right, make some food with some prunes. Dog, the whole backyard, they smell like shit for 2 weeks. Everywhere.
They weren't
Everywhere.
constipated anymore.
No,
Cut
they
rid of it.
weren't,
They
brother.
cut- it's all the
Everywhere.
Prunes. Do
Problem
that.
solved.
400-pound dogs, mate, can, like, produce a lot of doo-doo.
What do you mean 400-pound dogs?
Yeah, they're all 100 pounds.
Yeah, roughly. Yeah.
Yeah, Littlefoot's the only one that's like 98. Everybody else is built something. They can produce a lot of doo-doo.
Yeah, that's what Massa used to hunt you back when you run away.
Yeah, that's why you innately afraid.
Yeah, that's why black man innately afraid of dog.
Wow.
Massa used to hunt him.
Yeah.
Massa used to hunt us with him.
It's true.
Is that real, Bree?
What? Stop. No.
Give me some of that.
You begging
What you
him
want?
for some of them nuts?
Tell me exactly. Tell me what you want.
You want some of them
What's it
fruity
name?
nuts?
Some of the beans.
What's it name?
Fruit and nut fusion.
Okay.
Are you asking him for some of his
Okay.
nuts, bro? Is that what you doing?
Okay.
Is that what you doing? Hard pause on that, bro.
Hard.
Hard. Watch a man fooling up him mouth full of nuts.
Done, brother.
Ooh.
Isn't it?
Hold
Yeah,
up your
it's-
hand from my nut.
It's
I gladly accept. Sorry, I just
It's that kind of podcast, friends. It's gonna be so much laughs.
You know what's worse? The name of it.
Stop.
Exotica.
Something just popped in my mind that I said, yo, I had to bring up with Bob on the podcast. You know why he got long hair? Like long, twisty, nice,
shit.
plait, braided hair, whatever you want to call it. Cause girl them used to tell him, say, yo, you cute, but your brother cuter because of the locks. Locks really bring superpowers, dog.
Every man with locks can sing and can play football.
Can play football, can't sing.
Why the football?
Every
You-
Rasta man
you
can
don't
play
have
football.
locks.
It's incredible.
You don't have locks, you have twists or plaits. What do you call that?
In due time.
Him have that Playboy Cardi.
Mm.
Yeah, it's messed up though.
Yeah, if I cut it off.
No, I'm not cut it off. Why am I cut it off for?
Man,
Yeah, so you just
I
don't
like
like
my
it.
fighting in the corporate world, you know.
That's why I'm not corporate, brother. Don't like that life.
Man,
I
like
like
you
the
couldn't
suits.
work in the back of the house with the
Yeah.
two hair that you that foot, man.
No, man, they hear that. They hear
Yeah,
that.
hold on. Man didn't hear the word corporate and just got the press.
Yeah, it's not fun.
How's your new job, bro?
So how's working in the back?
Alright.
It's
How's
hot.
how's the cubicle farm?
It's hot with all the fire.
How's
Yeah.
the cubicle farm?
You ever get splashed with oil?
Many
How's the
times.
cubicle farm?
Anyways,
You ever
okay.
get burnt? You ever cut yourself with the knife doing the chop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Have you
cut
ever fallen
myself.
asleep at work?
I was chopping
Huh?
up.
Have you ever fallen asleep at work?
No.
I did chop myself one time, cutting up a bag of scallion.
When you say chop yourself, cause like that
No,
doesn't
I
sound like a
just-
cut. That sounds like a chop.
And I sliced the tip of my finger through the fingernail at the edge. Just at the very edge. It wasn't far in.
So you go home after that happened, or you just blood up the rest of the food?
Blood up the rest of the food.
No,
Obey the people.
nah,
Obey them wickedly.
nah.
Like, here's some of my
You don't bleed
DNA.
same time.
Vampire
As
shit,
it cut
isn't
you, you don't bleed same time. Like, you don't squirt. You just, like, it just sting.
So the movies are a lie?
Yeah, so I just moved, throw off whatever was contaminated, wrap up my hand, put on a glove, and went back to work.
Which glove? You know, Bob. Glove what?
Yeah, Bob ain't one to like use gloves at all, isn't it?
Band-aid out in the food.
Or in real life, you know what I mean? Bob ain't a glove guy.
So I have to say my mic open.
Yo, you guys have epic stories too, man. Stop going on like that.
I don't
All
know
of you,
why.
all of your best stories
really
feature
like
someone
this.
called Beast.
Nah.
Tell us a story.
It's too early for
Beastra is the least.
that.
Tell us a story involving Beast, please.
You know, so
All of them are hilarious,
I'm
tag.
supposed to take a video and tag him and say, BC upon
Beast. Alright, well, I heard the story how Beast got his name, and it involved him
Yeah, why does he
uprooting
have-
a concrete table.
What?
It wasn't a concrete, it was a metal shit table.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Pausing the
That's not good.
podcast. Pause. Oh, never mind.
No. Go check it out.
What?
Go check it out same way.
Nah, dog.
Go check out the light.
Nah, dog. Little T come. Anyway. Hey, guys.
So yeah, let's be real. Back to Bistro. I have this.
What did he mash up? Uproot,
You know-
sorry.
You know, it's right there, fam. It's right there. See that?
No, it's right there.
It's been there. My hand was in there the whole time.
In where?
Okay, you good. You see that we need a third set of headphones for guests
I can't hear
Eventually.
it. I can't hear myself.
Yeah,
Sorry.
eventually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The story goes, from what I remember, is that him did a school and actually they get vexed one day or something issue. And the man just start rattling one of the screwed in tables. You know the one that was screwing at the ground that can't move? The 3-seat of them?
Yeah.
Man, pull it out. And call him your dog a beast. So them call him Bistro.
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 And then he just became Beast.
Either way. Bistro is a Listro.
Dog. Beast is the epitome of a Portmore man.
You fuck.
I know what that mean, but tell them what that mean.
Better Bob say that.
White Kingfish Corolla.
Pull over. Marina.
Marina. Timberland boots.
Timberland boots.
That's,
Be a tattoo.
yeah.
Be a tattoo.
Be
That
a
one they
tattoo.
cover tattoo.
He's a Gaza youth.
He's a, what? Like if you meet him now, you would not believe.
Beast is Beast is an upstanding member of society, you know.
No?
Yeah.
Beast is what's him though? Contracting.
He's an
Architect?
he's construction.
Him do something in engineering.
Yeah, construction engineering.
So he flipped it around.
I mean, he's always been flipping.
He's all,
around.
no him being a good youth. Him
Oh,
just
him
wild.
been
He was wild.
Him just wild.
And we look at him and just
Can I
say,
get an example of one of an act of wildness besides how he got his name?
where are many? Where do we start?
I was never there for them.
We were there for more.
I was never there for them.
So that's on me then.
Everything is on you. I was never there for any of them.
Ryan.
Let's go. Let's do the
The
Mobe
only
trip.
time I really did Pirate Bistro like that was when we did go Mobe
Yeah, let's do the Mobe
and the
one.
police they dig him up out of the car.
Dig him up wicked. Man, them lift him up like, you know, like you ever go in a back
When
and
he said police dig him up.
police dig
When
him
they
up.
say yo police dig him up.
Dig him up
Police,
out of the car. dog.
police them to take him out.
Like
police,
yam.
police
Like
them to
yam,
pull him
dog,
out.
man.
Police
Dig
them
him
to
up.
First
dig
and
him up.
foremost, Bob was in the wrong.
Yeah.
You have to start off a story properly.
The brown man was the one who got everybody. No lie.
It was a Chinese girl that got everybody out of it.
No,
There
who
was
got
a
everybody in
Chinese girl.
trouble?
It was a
Who did
brown man.
undertake first?
It's you. It's you.
Me did it. Who did boost me? Yeah. All right. Glad you can take responsibility. Glad you can take responsibility.
Hombre.
You're
Hombre.
a fucking hombre,
Bob
yes?
say yo who boost me?
Let me tell you the truth. We were driving. Bob is driving a big Isuzu. What? 5-speed?
Trooper. Yeah, it was 5 speed.
5-speed trooper.
Is this the one that dinged?
Uh-huh. You know that
Yep.
one. You know that
Yep,
van.
it's
As a
fair
matter of fact, why is Martin acting like he doesn't know that van? He used to jump in it for Halloween. Or the egg the place.
Once.
Exactly.
Mhm.
That same
One
truck.
Halloween. One Halloween.
And that was epic.
Was
But yeah, we're not going to get that story. That's our next story.
yeah.
So we were driving. Bob was leading. There was Beast driving a white Kingfisher. Didn't have an airbag in it.
Yo, Rochelle got away, you know.
And Rochelle was the last one.
Rochelle was miles
That was
behind.
my girlfriend at the time.
It was a 3-car convoy, 2 away abreast, and Rochelle the back this like
Way
she
back.
ain't touching over the speed limit.
She not going over the speed limit. If it's 80, it's
So she's
80.
being a responsible human being, is what you guys are essentially saying.
Shame on her.
Shame.
Oh, yeah,
Because she
for-
missed it. So
for-
Bob is dipping
For
out.
shame.
So Beast, Beast decided to say, I go overtake. And Bob said, I not follow Beast, So I said, dog, do it. And Bob
Undertake.
went and undertake.
Soft shoulder.
Soft shoulder. And Bob went
Under
through. Two
coaster
of them
bus.
were going like this. So when Bob decided to go dip out one time now, a black kingfish just roll up on Bob. When me
Start
roll
blow
up,
it on.
block him off.
And
And
I
we-
said, I pull you over. And I pull
No
you
man,
over.
not pull me over yet, man. Because then we were flying, and when we look down further, about another 2 minutes or less drive,
You see,
There's a-
people that flash with, so
people
when I
that
say
flash with.
police.
Police.
Checkpoint, they don't know.
policeman walk out in the road, so Bob run past him and have a gear down, because Bob van can't stop so easy.
Yeah, and I was gunning.
Bob just revert the Bob. Let me I forget my after this so much description of how far you went. It'll be like
Yeah, I had to
from
reverse.
you know where you took it there, from the front gate to the first speed bump. Bob ran left the policeman,
I had to reverse.
and Bob was reversed and said, "Yes, officer, what you
You-
need?" In the back of my brain, I'm like, "Shit, we get fucked now."
Don't it,
And
man.
then the black kingfish pull up. The black kingfish pull up and step out, and the man say, "Yo, take them off of the road." Yada yada yada. Bob is like, "What you mean?" I say, "Yeah, undertake.
you
Where
mean,
not come
officer?
from?" But first, what they did was them test out Bob's car. Them don't pull over.
Yeah, this checkpoint that they had was like fitness.
Fitness.
No, them never take my van
Them take your van and run it. The
Did
man,
them?
the man take
Oh,
a
yeah,
one
yeah,
run
yeah.
with your van, man.
and bring it back. But
And bring it
Beast
back.
no. Beast is in a rented. Beast and drive a rented
Toyota
kingfish.
Kingfish.
White kingfish. No airbag in it.
You
Right?
can actually look and see it in the
Beast
emblem.
in it in Portmore uniform, the Marina and the Timberland.
khaki shorts, Timberland,
Yeah.
beer tattoo, little twist.
Him is who didn't like him girl at the time.
And girl at the time, Katie and something.
Katie and Tina.
The two brownest things in life. Tina's a Chinese
Tina
girl.
Chinese and Katie Brown.
And Katie Brown.
And then
And
Beast.
Cooper was in there as well.
Yeah.
One yellow ranger.
So wait no. So 4 black people and 1 China girl in another vehicle. The driver looking like Beast.
Man look
Abducting.
like- man just- man them
When
pick
the
up
policeman
dog
dig
like
out
when
Beast.
Somebody rabbit dog.
like the claw machine dog. They
Just
just pick him up.
pick him out.
Just dig him out of the car.
and dig him up.
Dog, when the man them a search a man pocket a dog in the man socks the man and then the dog.
I go to Timberland man, a white socks, man, man pull back the socks and say, "Yo, when are your socks?"
Bear in mind. Alright, so Martin, while this is going on, the 4 black people are get searching now. Tina, the China girl, stand up by the side. The policeman are trying lyrics her, you know.
But the Chinese girl had everything in her bag, and the policeman could not go in the bag.
When they sound like a claw machine.
Yeah, when them dig out Beast out of the
Dig out
car.
Beast, man.
And then when them take the car, they got road test it now. Basically, Tokyo Drift, the man them a deal with it across the road. And
Yo, I hate that shit, mate. I hate how fitness people drive your car.
But it's not fitness people; it's actually the policeman himself.
It was just the policeman them just rags in the
It
car
was
because
rags.
it's beef.
Who
And
did save
Beast.
we?
Huh?
Who did save we? How would they get it?
Say who did save me?
No,
How
I
would he
think
The
get
policeman they tell her to keep a fucker driving a town
Can we
and
tell
can say,
people from
consider it a
Kingston?
Christmas present. Was
That's
that you
a
were just
murder.
some young university student who just
Just
there
came
try and
to
live
Monday.
life?
That
Man say,
was your excuse.
keep on a fucker driving a town.
Keep your
Man said, "Don't undertake if you not undertake." I said, "Alright, no problem, officer."
No problem.
keep your fucker driving
we'll-
at
we'll-
all.
Tina had
We'll be
everything
safe.
in her bag.
Let me tell you something. Rochelle
Keep
pull up.
looking at this right here.
Rochelle pull up after everything done. And go park down the road past me and wait.
God have mercy.
She's supposed to just feel like I told you so.
You know, and it's my girlfriend at the time, and so I'm just like,
She was
what
just
the
looking at you like I told you so.
fuck? And Bubble commercial like,
We get to
we get to it, murder.
it. Would that be a blood clot ticket?
There was a next
Then would I
part.
probably take the
Bro,
vehicle.
I'm gonna
Brother.
take the vehicle.
But there was a next incident for that Mobay trip where we went to the Chinese
Hope
restaurant.
Kerry should have watched this episode.
Oh gosh, the Chinese restaurant. It was off.
That was that. Come on, how many years ago was that?
I can't remember.
Yeah, that's
anything.
true.
I can't remember.
That was
I
8
can't,
years ago.
I can't remember it. Trust me.
I was 7
It's close to the
years-
Lagoons,
7 years.
Fairview Plaza. Boom.
What's the story?
2012, 7 years ago.
Yeah.
What?
What's the story?
What?
We went into the
Bob said
restaurant.
what? What
and
did I do?
We all sat down.
When
and-
B said that for shit?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See?
Dog, B sat to shit so bad him couldn't sit up
Them
straight.
couldn't sit up straight. Man sit on one cheek,
Yeah.
sideways.
Yeah. The shit
Shit
would have
did-
lined up and it would have
It
shit
might be
himself.
doo-doo.
Yeah. It could be
It
doo-doo.
could be doo-doo.
Dog, so bear in mind, we walk into this Chinese restaurant at like 9:45.
9:45 when
Them
clock
close
clock.
10. So them done vex
Them
with
done vex with me. And the woman come
And
for order
about 10
food.
away.
10 away, the woman come for order food.
I wasn't expecting shit.
Hold on, man. The woman come for order food. And she started attitude. So what she didn't know is that the
We are
major
all
assholes at the table, me, myself, Bob,
Cooper.
Beast, and who else was there? And Rochelle was a part of
Jeff.
it. Jeff was there as well.
Everyone at the table then.
Everyone at the table is an asshole.
Okay, cool.
So when you start talking,
Table full of
Yeah.
batiol.
a table full of sharpshooter, you can't miss. So she starts talking and says, "May I have your order, please?"
Dog, yeah, when she emphasized her here.
Emphasize her H. My head just pick
Nah,
up.
man.
I must say, Cooper look for me. I said,
Cooper
Jesus.
said, Cooper make him harder, you know. And Cooper said, can I get a Gatorade? And the woman said, we only have orange.
I said, can I get a orange juice
And
then?
Cooper nearly dead.
Dead.
Beast get up for go shit,
Beast
right?
get up for go shit right when I'm almost done for eat.
Yeah,
So make sure you
Beast-
eat on top of the shit. I don't know.
Beast get up for go shit and Beast reach the bathroom there. We say, Beast stop. Beast take a picture and Beast come back. And Beast show in the bathroom, so you have to pay $100 for it. So Beast say, I have to leave.
No, I
I'm
think you
not-
get spiteful after that. You get spiteful after that. Pay the bills. I'm going there and drop the bomb and even flush the toilet.
And he said, nah, pay $100 for
Nah, I
this
pay
bathroom.
$100 for nothing. No, I'm telling my man, I buy food. Man, drop the bills. Yo, tell me, you saw the man walk out? Nobody knew this happening now. Nobody knew. He showed us a picture, but nobody knew. So when Beast walk out, Beast said, I'm going to feel lighter now.
Yeah.
I said, feel
Really?
lighter now, dog. Oh, gosh.
That
I
same
said, dog,
night-
what you do?
The same night that we go strip club.
Strip club, dog.
And it's the biggest strip I ever seen in my life.
But I say,
6'2". Stomping. Must say the tallest strip pole I ever seen in my life.
Death by Zuzu.
To fit her.
No,
man, I tell you, the strip. What's the name of it? Moods. A dirty little go-go club.
Go club, brother.
You can't call that strip club one go-go
Brother,
club
brother,
in the back
a
of our
blues,
place.
when you walk in, there's a big screen of blues.
Yeah.
You say, yeah, man.
I'm so happy.
Big
I
Uda
knew
going
I
up.
wouldn't have nothing on this
Dog,
podcast.
Brother.
man, I tell you that the strip up, the pole was about 2-story.
Nah, man, it was a story.
Or
nah.
3.
It was a
Dog,
story,
it was
nah.
ridiculous.
Did a girl climb to the top and slide
Man,
to
no,
the
what?
ground?
Yeah,
We
man,
all
she
went as a group.
She did.
And the woman them, they don't want to leave. So I was like, all right, fad, I'll just go back with them.
Bob left.
And go back to the room. Because nothing really go on
Ryan.
in the go-go club.
Ryan stood.
Because we got there, it was like 1 o'clock. Not going in a go-go club at 1 o'clock.
And the
Ryan
go-go club.
stood for the go-go club. Girl or
He said,
no
"For the girl,
girl.
let me know the go-go club."
Yeah, man, around them time there. Gosh, no.
Yeah. So-
massage
Yeah. All right. There was this one white guy.
Dog,
That's
so
so-
Ryan stayed, B stayed,
All the man them
Jeff,
stayed
all of the
except
man
him.
them stayed except me. I went back with the woman them.
Bob bitched out.
No, Bob's a savage is what Bob is.
No, Bob bitched out.
Bob was like one man, multiple targets.
Him couldn't
Most
get none.
can't strike.
No, I couldn't get none.
No, not with
Everything pair off. I want
The,
to.
yeah.
So why'd you go back?
That's what I'm trying to say. Bob bitched out.
Alright, Bob bitched out.
Not
Okay.
never go on. I think I didn't need for shit too. More than likely.
That was it.
More than likely I didn't need
That
for shit.
was
So I
it.
was just
But
like, yo,
Bob coulda
I'll
come
take the
back in
girl
the car, he's around
and
the corner.
Why on the shit so much with bees?
Brother, you know how much food was eat?
Dog, I got no food and I'm in a challenge. Still, dog, I did that for good shit too.
Shit, that for go on. Man, that's an emotion, man.
We go bumble club. I did some pay $520 for the fucking
Fucking
Heineken.
Heineken.
My youth.
Brother,
What?
In a blue beat.
blue
I
jam.
will never forget that.
Blue beast, isn't it?
January 2012, the day I was robbed.
Oh, like the man fuck it up, you know. The man them say a 518 inside. So Bob said cheaper outside. The man say yeah. Bob walk outside and the man pull the cap and say yo 520. I drop a $2 on it, dog. It
I'm gonna
works
tell you
for two
something.
outside.
I'm gonna tell you something.
How petty are you to drop $2 Jamaican on the price of anything?
First of all, we're sorry. We're there, mobile. Where we're gonna do? Margaritaville cost money for going in. We don't want to pay the money on inside lame.
So we'll go.
So we'll go right beside it. Blue Beat.
We didn't know it
We're
was a
going to Blue
Batman
Beat.
club.
Yeah,
Sorry.
we never know it's at a Batman club. Man.
Well, if it's not a Batman club, let me retract that statement. It was a club that there were many
Batman in
Batman
at that time.
at the time. You see me?
Cause we go into the place empty, but 2 Batman in the car.
Not
and
two.
dance.
I want 5 of them, brother.
No, inside.
Inside
When they were
or
more
outside?
outside.
Oh, yeah. I was on the outside for 1 second. I'm running back inside and said, dog, this can't work.
Remember, there was some more on the
No,
outside.
umbre.
So we're there.
You
I'm
have
sorry,
to
I
dip
go
in
buy
and
a
dip out of cold
juice.
water. You have to dip in and dip out of the place.
When they go gamble.
Gamble.
At the first place, never win money in the casino.
I want a gift. I can't remember what it was.
What did win?
The vampire
Must
team.
be $5 grand
Yeah.
on the roulette or something like that.
Wait, hold on. How did you guys figure out that it was a club with a lot of homosexuals in it?
Cause they were
They
dancing
walking.
with each other.
Yeah.
Oh, you just
You
walked
just
in
walked
and walked
in.
out like the meme?
No, we were in there
We were in
because we
there.
weren't going to pay money to go into Margaret. We don't.
We
We're
just wanted
not.
a vibe.
We don't bun them like that. Like we can't
Fire.
not share the same air.
Bumbo class.
Ryan is an umber.
As
So
much
he
as
has
much
to
as
say
it burn my soul because I have to serve many of them. Don't get me wrong, I don't hate on them, but bumbo class.
Oh.
Like
It's
I
just
can break my career right
It's
now.
just the inner
Apparently, I'm
Jamaican.
allergic.
Yeah. See it there.
Can be a toxic.
See it there.
Brother, I'm just
It's
saying.
the inner Jamaican. It's just
It's
the
the inner
society.
Jamaican.
We know
Brother,
that we are
that's a little
tolerant, but there's still a voice in us. Sometimes you hear a thing and you just go, "Batty boy," and like you have to stop yourself. You're like, "Whoa,
Batty man.
relax." It's like I don't
That's
care.
way too real.
I don't care.
Sometimes I'm watching a TV show and like I was watching friends from college earlier, and two of the guys are getting married, and I was just playing games and I looked up and they were like hugging and kissing, and in my head I went, "Bumba
Batty
clad."
boy.
But in my head, no, stop being like that. But you know,
The question is, did he
The
finish
Jamaican.
movie?
Huh?
Did he finish the movie?
of course I finished the show.
You're not a Jamaican.
No,
No, I'm cultured.
I'm
No,
cultured. I watch Jamaica. I watch Brokeback Mountain.
No.
One of
Well, I
them.
mean, I watch Sense8.
Yeah, and Sensei had a lot of gay sex
Oh,
scenes.
so many.
As the only straight viewing person in
the
this room.
directors of Sense8
slap you in the
are
side of your head.
transgenders. The Wachowski sisters, who started off as
Siblings.
Wachowski brothers,
Siblings.
so the Wachowski siblings.
Yeah, they don't identify as a gender.
I learned something new today.
The same
The
Wachowskis
Bamcast.
who directed the Matrix.
The Matrix.
I know.
But
That's what I'm saying
the
to you.
credits on the Matrix is the Wachowski brothers. On Sense8
'Cause they were
is some
both guys.
Wachowski siblings because they transitioned.
Mm-hmm.
That's the thing you can do. But we're not going to talk about that.
No.
We're going to keep it
So no,
light
but that's what I'm
and
saying
fun.
is that we're tolerant,
The
and all
tolerance,
that, whatever.
we were in
but
there drinking and thing.
but
But
in a Jamaican,
in a
within
Jamaican way, isn't it like
It won.
Batty
man,
boy.
Batty boy.
He's never Batty man. But when you say Batty man, you like you calm, you're
You're
rational.
pure. Yeah.
When you go Batty boy, you're just mad, you're just ignorant, dog.
I say myself, John will start one bag of them. So one of them walk over, I think, and come hail Cooper. I don't remember if I'm right. I might be misleading.
No, I was vexed over the fucking Heineken, brother.
I remember.
I sip the one Heineken, the whole fucking.
I feel like Ryan Thumb is on the correct label, but him thumb
might-
pointing this way.
Yeah, you need to speak to that, so.
No, fam.
Bumble.
I was had it right here the
Which
whole time.
bumble?
No, you keep doing this.
I was right here the
Go
whole
bad
time.
up your mother.
Trust me.
Things say you're bad.
Step on my bank robbers.
You in a no light. Remember, we've done this already. At fucking FDR when
Yeah,
we
but
were 14.
I was a little man.
Let's
back
not
then.
do this because that's the same time.
I was a little man.
when my
back
brother
then.
get in the argument and fight over the
I
work
will-
compound.
I will now ruin. Anyway, what
Yeah.
were you saying?
I can't remember.
Oh,
You beast, something fuck up
somebody
did
else or
happen.
something.
Oh.
All right, well, can we just keep it rolling?
No,
Beast
I
stories.
can tell you that story. So
Oh no, I was saying the rest of that night, right? So we went to
mhm.
strip
With-
club.
with the gay
we
bar.
go strip
We were
club.
at the
We go
strip
gay bar. We go casino. We end up a strip club
let me
as a
tell you about the
last
strip
thing.
club though. And I'll be real.
Yeah, no,
about
wait,
it.
no. So what I'm saying is, I missed out on the strip club completely. The next day, I got all the stories second hand. Me here's a girl a smoke with her front. me
Don't bust the story. Them. Let me tell the story.
me
them,
here's
man.
a man and yam front. In a
man-
stranger and yam front on stage.
Jesus, brother,
It's shades.
It's,
No.
no.
It's shades all over again.
brother.
We are vexed and them lockdown shades. I'm gonna get for going. You know?
Shades locked them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a fire
No.
hazard. One big metal door. Not
But
wouldn't say.
dog, shades is a cultural
All that
icon.
was- all they had to do was
staple.
change the door.
Brother,
Dog.
show blood cloth.
I loved shades.
Let me tell you exactly how because I'm not gonna tell the story.
I wasn't there.
So we're there and the performance starts and everything is going well. And you see me, we're like, okay, cool, man. Them say, yo, dog, that cool. And we see her take out a cigarette. And she goes, so.
Why you choose to speak softly during this
I'm
story?
not speaking.
And you talk to the side of the mic again.
No, brother, look.
We're going to
Bad
my
man
fuck
wasn't-
you up in there and
Bad man wasn't
you
meant.
just don't listen, you know.
Bad
I
man
like you
wasn't
sit
meant.
down on your ears, you know, man. You,
Why? Bad man wasn't meant to speak into no microphone, you see me? And that's facts when I speak into the microphone. I don't know why, but this thing, it gets to me.
You're the only guest that's had this problem, so you're the retard. Anyway.
can't say that
How
word.
much time?
Oh, we can't say
you gotta
retard
take-
Can't
anymore?
use the R word.
fuck you.
You just fool.
The R word.
The R word.
But that's a medical word.
Retarded.
Just
Yeah.
call me retarded.
No.
Medically, the word retarded
He just
means
called me
slow.
retard. He just called me a slow retard. Alright.
That's
Called you a
a double
slow
negative.
retard. That's like a dumb.
If you are a slow retard, like
We just said that a
wow.
while ago.
You're talking about the strip club,
Yeah.
cigarette, pum pum.
Wow, I love how you condition that into your brain. I love how you-
I want to hear this story.
So yeah, dog. So we're in there now. She stoops down. No, she sits down, opens her legs and everything. You see me? And when she opens her legs, she goes to take a puff of the cigarette and just place it in her vagina. And then she just goes to wiggle and just take it out back. You actually see the red part of the cigarette go down.
The cherry light
The
up.
cherry light up, brother. And we're like, what's she doing? And then she goes and takes out the cigarette and then she goes and squeezes. Poof, smoke. And the
Cancer crutches.
Brother, the first. That's the first thing these would have said. They said, "Bomb buckler, the pussy must be black."
Rotten. Cancer crutches, mate.
Brother,
Yuck.
and she didn't do it one time.
She took another puff.
She took
She
many
got a
puff.
spliff too.
She got a spliff too.
She put a spliff in her vagina,
V is Jamaica. Vagina.
in her pum pum,
VUH. Vagina.
Banana.
in her wall,
In her wall.
In
Yeah,
her
man.
wall.
in her front wall.
You have to specify.
Yeah,
And then
Jamaica.
so the next one that came on now, there was this white guy sitting down reading a magazine by the edge of the stage. And we were like, what the fuck is
During the course of the woman smoking the
No,
blunt.
no, this was before the woman started smoking the blunt. So it started off.
Okay.
I guess this one cause
So he was a plant or he was like a
no
person?
man, as in he sat down, a older white man, mature white man, isn't he? White hair and
Old white
everything,
guy.
reading a magazine, and we were like, what the fuck is he doing? And the waitress brings over a tropical rhythm. Don't tag tropical rhythm in this podcast. So they took a tropical rhythm and man, she put it down right by the stage. The stage is like the same height as his knees. So, you know, all I'm going to do is just turn around if you want to go down to the stage. So the girl comes over and man's like, come here. And he's like, what? She's like, what? My man goes, split. So my girl goes on the edge of the stage. You know that strippers do. They're going to go to the edge of the stage and wind up and everything. And so when she does that now, my boy just grab on her by under her leg and just proceeds to pull her forward and eat the vagina. You see me?
Some carpet munching.
Is a stripper that?
She had no carpet, brother. So he was okay. Stripper.
I heard a story.
Don't stray first. Hold on the story. Don't finish it. Don't
Please,
stray.
please,
Let me
please.
finish
Just
it.
remind me. Keep going. Just remind me.
Yeah. So when them start now, she's like enjoying it. Yeah. Some man walk over.
Oh wait, she like got into it. She didn't
Yeah.
just be like, "Get off of me, old man."
No, she didn't.
Oh word.
And man, you know, Jamaican man are hypocrite. Some of them just go fling over money upon them, but to them he's still eating.
Of course, you can fling money on
He's
it.
still eating. That's
Yeah.
the joke about it. So after now he's still eating, he goes and he has her by her leg like this the same way. Reach over, chop a car with him, pull it, full up his mouth, and just sprinkles it all over. But
That's
just-
sticky.
and then he went back again. Round 2.
Wow.
Brother.
Wow.
Stories.
Yo, some man in
I
this
missed-
world
I
just
missed quite
born
a
to have
happening.
fun, you
I
know.
told you, you missed a lot.
Yeah.
Some man in this world just born to have fun, you know, dog.
For nothing.
For some reason I feel that's white rum.
It is. Some man in this world just born to have fun.
Brother, I have a whole life story of fun. I'm giving up on that right now.
What else happened in the movie?
What happens in the movie?
Nigga, shut up.
Nigga,
We went to
don't
KFC.
start this.
Nigga, shut up.
I'm the most well-traveled man in Jamaica.
No, you're the biggest whore.
Har.
Whore.
Yeah, har.
You're the biggest whore this side of the universe,
I
man.
don't know what that means.
You're a whore.
No, I'm not a whore.
You're whoring.
Wow.
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 That's strong. Why
That's
you
a
being so strong?
I don't
I
understand.
am who so
Why
strong,
am I
dog?
so strong, bro?
Sheesh.
Bob, do I seem like a whore to you?
Don't get me in it.
We has no friends in this room.
I am not a whore,
Today.
But
Mm-hmm.
I'm above this.
I used to.
Is the Pope Catholic?
I used to carry it to school, you know, bro.
Anglican.
Man, I used to carry it to school.
I used to carry it to school. You know,
I used to pick him up from random location.
Yo, don't forget, you know, bro.
Do, 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 do.
It's true, though, Bob.
I mean, you did tell when your mother tell you say shut up fire, you know. I mean,
What? Can I hear what that's about?
I don't fucking remember that, dog.
Ryan used before Ryan lived in town. Ryan used to live in Spain,
Uh-huh.
and he used to have to make the trot go to Spain every day. But
Yo.
one day, his mother call him and say, "Yo, shut a fire, don't bother."
Don't bother.
Don't bother come home.
No bother.
For find somewhere in Kingston for live the night there.
Yeah.
No, I mean, that was a
Bob
week.
was, Bob was the spot.
So no.
Man said
Hell
no.
no.
Hell no. Fuck
I
off.
found my way, brother.
You found your way through the.
Brother, enough things we go through now until it's it.
No, yeah, we know. That's why we're drawing you out, bro.
You're not gonna drama it really.
I'm
It's not
gonna
like
try.
bad.
I'm gonna try.
As
Nah.
a hombre.
I'm gonna try to get some at least fun stories. You know, thus far the B stories have been hilarious. The Ochi story, not Ochi, the country story was hilarious.
That's how when Bob Trickway and Kara go in grandmother yard, and him grandmother was waiting for we, lay waiting the 10 away. Brother,
The 10 of you.
she lay wait the 10 away, because by the time we reach, food done cook. And
Man,
we're
them,
not
that good man, them eat a belly full and dead in it.
dead.
Dead.
Dead in the car, brother. Like,
Dead. Out, everybody.
knockout in a grandma house. Good
I
house.
had no company driving back into town.
Fuck.
Dead bodies.
Yo, only for time me and Bob go country, and on the way back I am on the way back in the mind.
Yeah.
Out.
I
I get no company coming back.
No, because you're the good friend.
When Ryan is with Babu, right, it's bound to be some foolish going to happen. That's what it used
That's
to
why I
be.
can't hang out with you anymore.
Yeah. Like legit.
What?
Too
we,
wild.
we were brother. Once we get
What, you
together,
trying to curve your wild ways, Bob?
Long time I curb them. Long time.
that's time cut me off. Is Bob cut
Yeah.
me off now?
Bob, yeah.
No,
Bob,
it's Bob cut me off.
is this an intervention? Did you guys break up?
No, it's Bob cut me off. Legit.
Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends?
Pussy with.
Why can't
You
we
know-
be?
Pussy with.
You know that
Pussy
as
with.
men,
Pussy
you,
with.
you know that as men, we don't need to see each other to maintain a friendship.
Bob, if you do that right now, I got load it up. Bob,
Man, the man just said the same. Don't need for sale for par with you. You know,
me
that.
not talk. Me not.
Him
Yeah.
don't want par with you.
Yeah, what?
You see
Bob
me?
pick up a
You
one
just need
front
to know
and
him.
he just kill everything.
Why can't we be friends?
And you know I can
Why
analyze my
can't
time.
we be friends?
Yeah, I'm a
Why
dog.
can't
Yeah, I'm a dog.
we
Yeah, I'm a dog.
be
But
We
friends?
stopped going to school
Why
together.
can't we
that
be
was one
friends?
issue, but that wasn't the real issue.
Yeah,
we
for real.
We just
for
didn't
real.
see each other anymore, bro.
That was it. And then all of a sudden I said, Bob, have girlfriend.
So why you sound mad?
Had.
Stop.
Hmm,
I didn't do it to that one. That was my thing.
hmm.
Anyways,
Clip out.
clip out.
Um,
yeah.
So, Bob, you get wife and cut off, Ryan? I saw it they go.
No, I cut off Ryan before that.
No, I was fucking around. He actually had to go into some job.
We
thing.
literally just did not see each other.
Yeah.
That's it. As you know, like women always say, if them don't see a certain person, like them question the friendship.
Did he call
Us
me a bitch
guys,
a while ago?
we don't see each other
Just
for
called me a
2
bitch a while
years.
ago.
He called you a
He
bitch.
just called me a bitch
And
a
it's
while
not
ago.
it's not just because of your hair, it's your personality.
All right, boom boom face.
I'm alright with that.
I'm proud of you.
Mm.
What was I saying? Before you this
Women
Yeah.
when they don't par with a friend for long, them see them pre the friend.
Yeah, but men, like, we don't see each other for years and you see each other like one day.
Do
And
good.
it's just like you did just see me yesterday.
Basically.
Yeah, but we're simpler. We've covered
Yeah,
that.
but that's
many
what
a
I'm
time.
saying,
It's,
like-
it's a curse and a blessing.
But
That's what I'm saying.
That's what happened.
Ryan shouldn't be wifing at me. Don't be wifing at me, bro.
This bitch.
Ryan shouldn't be wifing at me, you know,
Yeah.
dog.
You know.
It's who did come up with that term?
It was Rochelle.
Rochelle came up with the term wifing.
Yeah.
I love that was a girl.
Yeah.
Stop wifing at me. Oh, I'm using that.
Yeah, not wifing at me.
It was after
Oh,
I think
I tell you,
Ogina
you know.
or Cooper, one of them.
I miss those days at UTech.
Those guys were fucked up. Those guys
All
were
we did was
crazy.
idle.
Rum
Good.
every day.
The good days of university.
Like we'd all go to class, but somehow every free session
On our par.
idling.
Yeah.
That one spot, those 3 spots were
UTech is synonymous with Domino's.
Yeah, we played. Well,
We
I never
played
really played them.
Kaluki and
Kaluki, Sinka Poker,
poker used to run hard. No
$10
I don't know how to play
$10
poker.
$10 hand, $10
$10
bet,
hand.
pre-bet. Brother,
Yeah.
that game could make your bus fare or buy a lunch.
Yeah, straight. Enough man come school and met them lunch money off a poker.
I still don't know how to play.
And
It's easy.
then
I don't wanna
eventually
learn
them
how to
did
play.
start bring them laptop. The man who start bringing them laptop and play Need for Speed
Need for
and LAN.
speed.
Yeah,
When I was in upper 6, it used to be Halo 1 on PC's LAN.
I was
just
there as well, but we
burning
just couldn't
game.
bother that. Couldn't
Teachers
bother.
used to wonder why everybody concentrating so hard on the
And then we
screen.
started smoking right beside the stage right there at UTech, and that caused problems.
Who is this we?
It was me.
I've never seen someone verbally go.
Who is this we?
Who
Hold
is
on,
this
hold on,
weed
hold on.
you
So
speak
you're
of?
telling me that when I used to bring the weed or the cigarette in, I used to take a puff?
At the stage?
Yes, you
Are
did.
you mad?
You did.
No,
You did.
not at the stage.
You did.
Nope.
You took a spuff off.
You
of
definitely did.
A spuff. I must be a fucking spuff.
You did. You took a spuff.
You took a spuff, dog.
You took a spuff.
Definitely
Took a
didn't take it. Not
You
at the
took a spuff.
stage.
Jesus. a
If I
small
spuffed, it wasn't at the stage.
You took a spuff. You took
Ah,
a spuff.
boy.
You took a spuff.
Anyways.
You took a spuff. You did.
You take this is when Bob is most known for his van, and that's the truth.
Yeah.
Anybody who saw
Brian
that
they tried
van,
thief my van one time
couldn't
and
move
couldn't
it.
move it.
Somebody tried to steal your van.
But I left it on to go
and
take
me
up
and
my
Brian
bag,
jump in,
and them couldn't move it.
couldn't move it.
The clutch fought back.
Clutch says that.
Yeah, Bob never have a good running vehicle
No,
ever.
I
You know.
love that van. What do you mean? I
Ever.
love that fucking
Ever,
van.
that's true, though. You never
No,
had a
that
good
van was
vehicle.
amazing. I swear, if I had the money
This
to
nigga
fix
stay
it up
with a
back to,
rickety
like,
ass
pristine.
vehicle.
But
No,
it
the Prada
worked.
nice.
It
man.
worked.
Did you die though?
Did you
I
die
did.
though?
Because I remember you trying to jump through a front window and failing. Did you die though?
Oh yeah, on the egging when they're running away.
See that? Did you die though?
No,
The
no.
man
I mean,
jump on his
it's same.
shoulder, just said no.
Yeah, black. It was like black. That was the same time like when Timmy dragged.
Stop and open. Yeah, that was
No,
a night Timmy
I
dragged.
didn't even have to stop, like, cause you didn't. It was kept going. So it was like to pull, grab, pulling. But yeah, and then we went around the block, and then came back.
That was the time when Jamal would run out like,
Yeah,
like
it
a
was-
zombie movie.
It was you
It was
fucked
you
up.
ran out.
I didn't fuck up.
You fucked up.
It's your egg
You
did wet up the
fucked
people
up.
in the drive.
Oh my god, yo, we went egging one night, right, yo?
Yeah, tell the story. I remember this
Went
one.
egging, and Brenton was Jesus that night because
Dog,
we had 3
the
carton
man
of
multiplied the egg them.
we had 3 carton of eggs and we went egging for hours. Bro.
Hours.
Alright, this was years ago. Oh my god, and we're cool. So that's nice, fun story. Anyway, we
Time limit.
We normally stay for an hour.
yeah, 'cause anything over an hour we tend to like chat fuckery.
More
Okay.
fucker. Than
More fuckery than normal. Anyway, we go egging, right? Like a friend of ours says, "Hey, I'm going egging with my friends." We say, "All right, cool. That sounds fun." Yo, let's egg them. So we egg them one time.
No. They were stuck in Burger King drive-through.
Hold on, we egg them one time
Legally, I'm apologizing.
when they're at the drive-through, right? But they're at like the back of the drive-through this time. We run off. That's when like I try to jump in and fail. And we go around the block. They send messages like, "Oh my god, how could you do that?" Like, you know, badding us up. So everyone in the car went,
we'll go back.
"Yo, I egg them again."
Yeah.
Everybody say, "Yeah." So you know, Brenton does his Jesus thing. Everyone has an egg.
Man, the man feed 5,000 eggs, brother.
Brother, just like multiply the eggs in
multiply the
the
eggs.
Amazing.
So,
Like when
yo.
we think said the egg did done, the man throw with the cart and pull
Next
out a
Pull
fresh
out a
one.
fresh one. I was
one.
just like, yo,
It's
where
like bread.
Yo. Where the eggs coming from,
It's
yo?
amazing.
So, right, it's Timmy, Jamal, Ryan. I was like looking over. Man, them throw them, like, see the car, line up, throw them egg.
I was the last one to throw.
Jamal throws his egg, splash on them windshield. Timmy throws his egg, splash on them windshield. Ryan throws his egg, hits
Slap.
the corner of the car and brake and splatters on the windshield on the
It
car
was a
behind.
corner of a ridge line because the ridge line was in front. I
Yeah.
missed.
Dog,
I missed
like,
I missed.
brother,
missed.
like dirty up the car.
Don't-
all we hear is, "Yo, what a bumble." All we needed to hear.
I was the first one out.
Brother, running took off, right? Jamal,
I'm
Dog.
sitting in the fucking van.
waiting.
And
Jamal,
Up the road.
vroom. Ryan, vroom, me gone.
No,
Timmy.
Jamal was the last one to move.
Oh yeah.
Jamal was the
I
last
ran
one.
off.
I was the
When
first one
Jamal
out.
came around the
And
corner,
Jamal
the
ran
zombie
left
horde
Timmy.
was behind
Yeah,
him.
like
Babe
Ryan
people.
gone, me gone. I look back, I see Timmy running. Jamal bends the corner, and it's just
Timmy missed the
everybody
car.
else. We don't share it. Everybody else bends the corner
All
behind
the
Jamal,
other people
running him
egg,
down.
yeah.
Bob, just let's start Lego gear.
Ryan in Bob's at Lego gear. Ryan's in the car. I get in the car. Jamal's in the car. Timmy run and jump.
I was in the
Mrs. grabs the bumper,
Yeah,
and
man, I was in
all
the
you
trunk.
hear is
And I had
Man
to pull him
towed
in.
him.
going up the road.
Call
Him
it the back
towed
road,
him and rub off on the asphalt.
He
Just
cut
turn
himself
and look
that
at
day.
Bob. Bob, Timmy a drag. Bob hit
Once
the
a Bob
brake.
Timmy dragging.
Yo.
I was like, what?
Bob hit the brake. I grab Timmy belt. We fly in the back of the car. We go, 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 go.
That's a lie.
Yeah, no, that's what. You and him were in the back.
Both
No,
of us
he wasn't-
yanked him in.
You were in the front, brother.
No,
No.
I was the one who yelled, "Bob,
I-
Timmy dragging."
I opened the back doors and all of y'all jumped in the back.
Yeah,
Jamal
Jamal was
went
on the
inside.
back seat. Me and you were in the trunk. Timmy jumped and
Timmy
missed,
miss.
and we
Yeah,
yanked
Timmy.
him in.
Timmy
Literally,
got a cut that night.
yeah, literally going up the road. Dumb young boy shit, but literally going up the road, you could see like burn marks from the rubber
Man's
on his
shoes.
shoes going, and Timmy's just holding on to the bumper in
Yeah,
Superman
Bob
position.
Pull gear, man.
And
Say,
we're
yo,
just
sorry,
like,
brother.
yo, grab, pull in, go, pull the door, lock up.
Brother.
Bob went full bitch.
We went
Yeah, I
full
went full-
again after that.
I went full
everywhere.
bitch because at the ears of the woman when they went up in the line, pull a
Put
knife out her front.
out her front.
And I ain't fucking with nobody who keep a knife in them pussy.
Oh, you weren't going back.
Yo, we're driving up one road and this car took 2 turns that we took, and Bob go, yo, fuck dog, what if them following us? And we're in the car going, Bob, shut up. Shut up, we're
Not
good.
ready
We
for
went
that.
egging up on Cherry,
Not a good
cherry,
criminal.
cherry Gardens.
You're not a good criminal
Not
at
a good
all.
criminal.
We went egging up Cherry Gardens after that. I remember that. Because I
Yeah.
remember Bimmer that get splashed too. I was on it.
Yo, the man did.
Man
a
pick
man
up
did.
5.
Bro, brrrr.
Man just reach him gate too, you know?
Pull out and everything.
Man literally park him car, like you see him locking him gate, and this car just drives by.
No, I rolled by.
He rolled by.
You
We
rolled
Y'all
rolled
by.
niggas ran when I
He
was on
ran.
Oh
foot.
yeah. You would roll by slowly. You'd run up and rain on something,
Yeah,
and then
boom.
like dive back. Yo, young boys do dumb shit.
Brian did Vix would do.
I didn't want to talk about that. We're not bringing that up. Peace, word to your mother, never again. Love you.
Oh
Man,
man.
brother, we've done some stuff.
I
We've
was
done some dumb shit.
We've done
I
some
mean,
dumb
you have to
shit.
live your life now. I'm
How you
living my
mean?
best
I'm not-
life.
I ain't going back and forth with you niggas, living my best life.
Boom, boom, boom.
I ain't going back and forth with you niggas.
Are we done?
Yeah, we're done. I'ma play the outro / intro. Ryan, tell the people where to find you. The song will start in a second.
Ryan do exist on social media.
Oh, you don't have any social media anywhere?
I do, but you know.
You don't want them to
Him
know.
have to move like the Gene lasagna.
Oh, I'm gonna move silent.
Well,
All right,
if
cool.
them
Well,
type in the name, they
since
will
he's
find
gonna
me.
move silent, thank you everybody for listening or watching. And
or
watching. Listening and watching, because you're gonna do both, because you guys are awesome.
Round 2 next.
Thank you guys. Of course, Ryan's always welcome back. Shout out to California. Link will be in the bio. Boom Draw Physics.
Bam 35 for your discount on California.
Thank you, Bob. Boom Draw Physics, thank you for the outro, the intro. It's in the bio. I don't want to mess up the name, so our new videographer, his information's also in the bio. By the end of the month, you'll see his effect on our stuff. Shout out to the co-host Bobby B, as always.
Big up.
Thank you, Ryan,
Big
for
up,
forwarding.
Thanks for calling me, guys.
Giving an
fun.
hilarious podcast. It was really good.
Big up Beast.
Anyway, the big boss.
Big up yourself.
Anyway,
The legend.
Big up Rochelle.
The man, the
Big
myth.
up Jev. Big up. Big up
Cooper.
Tina. Big up Cooper. Big up KD.
Yeah, man, the whole of that.
You have to send these to all of these
Big
individual
up
people.
Sean.
You have to send this to all
Sean-
those individual people.
You have to say who?
Sean.
You have to send it to all the individual people that you shouted out. Just
Big
so
up
you guys know.
Kareem. Who else left for big up?
I don't remember.
Big
who
up
else.
Shelby.
Shelby the boat, yeah.
Speed Demon.
Speed
Speed
Demon.
Demon.
She's
Speed
the only girl that took a con on 3 wheels that we know.
Dog.
Of and made
Bad.
it.
Part 2
She's
going
4 for
nice.
11.
Mad times.
Yo, thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching.
Big up.
Dropping bombs on your moms.
We're fucking car alarms.
No.
That's cool. Like, if we had more than an hour to talk,